We have to find the radius of a sphere whose surface area is 154 centimeter square. So we'll take that the radius of a sphere is r. Okay, so as per question, I mean not as per question, like as per this one, we know the formula, surface area formula is 4 pi r square. So as per question, 4 pi r square equal to 154, because it's saying is surface area is 154 centimeters. So then what we have to do, so we equalize this one. Then you can see next line I put the roll numbers, sorry, the value of pi. Okay, and then I put the value of pi, which is 22 by 7. Okay, and r square, the value we don't know. So next line, what I did, I took everything to the right side except the r square. You can see 7 is multiplied here, so 7 will cross multiply to 154. So in numerator it will be 154 and denominator will be 4 and 22. So we have to simplify this one. Okay, before simplification, if you divide 22 and 154, you will get a numerator 7. Okay, 154 divided by 7 is 7. Okay, and denominator what will left, it will be left only 4. So we can write next line, we can write this 7 by 2 whole square, right? Numerator 7 into 7, denominator 4, so 4 is actually 2 square. So what is r equal to, you get, will get r equal to, r equal to will get, okay, so r equal to, you will get 7 by 2, r equal to will get 7 by 2. Okay, if you convert in decimal it will be 3.5, 3.5 centimeter. Okay, so answer will be the required radius of the sphere is 3.5 centimeter. Okay, the next question is very interesting question, though easy. Next question is asking that the diameter of the moon is approximately one fourth the diameter of the earth. Okay, diameter of the moon is one fourth the diameter of the earth. Find the ratio of their surface area. So what we did, we took let diameter of moon is 2d. You can see here. Okay, why I'm taking 2d? Okay, because if we take 2d as a diameter, the radius can be a non-fraction form d. Okay, for that reason I only take 2d. Okay, or diameter, and diameter of the earth is 8d. Why? Because it told that 4 times of the earth, so earth will be 8d and moon will should be 2d, because moon's diameter is one fourth of earth's diameter. Okay, then next line, therefore the radius of the moon will be, what will be the radius of the moon? obviously 2d by d, 2d by 2, that is d, and um, sorry, this is and not d, and radius of the earth is 8d by 2, that is 4d units. Okay, so we got the radius of moon, and we got the radius of the earth. Just now we have to put their what it called, their surface area formula. Okay, so formula is the ratio of the surface areas of moon and earth is equal to surface area of moon divided by surface area of the earth, right? So surface area of the moon is 4 pi 4 pi d square, right? And earth is 4 pi 4d square, because earth radius we got 4d, and moon radius we got d. So if you see, 4 pi and 4 pi is cancelled, right? 4 pi and 4 pi here cancel. What will remain on the numerator? Numerator it will remain d square, and sorry, numerator d square, yeah, denominator will be 16d square, because 4d will be 16d square. So again d square cancel. What will remain? 1 by 16. So radius of the, I mean, their surface area volume, surface areas ratio is 1 is to 16. That's the answer. Okay, this is very easy question. Only the we have to take this, we have to take the value correctly. Otherwise, it's very easy. Okay. Then next we having some one question. I draw already one diagram. In this question is asked, a hemispherical bowl is made of steel. Okay, a hemispherical bowl is made of steel, 0.25 centimeter thickness. You can see this is, I try to draw one bowl where the inner thickness is this, where the inner thickness is 0.25. The inner radius is given 5 centimeter. Inner radius is given 5 centimeter. We have to find the outer curved surface area. So basically, what is given? Inner radius is given and thickness is given. Okay, thickness means this much part. Okay, this much part. You can see how much thick the bowl is. That is 0.25 centimeter. Though the diagram is not very what is called convenient, because it looks very thick, but it is 0.25. But still, I try to manage this diagram. So basically, inner radius is given. So how to find the outer radius? If we add with the inner radius, if we add the thickness, we'll get the outer radius. Okay, that's what we did here. Look, outer radius equal to 5 plus 0.25 centimeter. Okay, 5 plus 0.25 centimeter. So outer radius is equal to 5 plus 0.25 centimeter, which is equal to 5.25 centimeter. So outer curved surface area, now formula. We know that for hemisphere, curved surface area formula is 2 pi r square, right? So 2 pi r square, then we just put the values. We can see pi value is 20 by 7 and r value is 5.25, right? So then we just calculated here 22 by 7 and 5.25. I'm writing like 5.25 into 5.25. Always try to do the calculation like this. Don't try to find the 5.25 whole square. Okay, that will kill your time. After that, always the main very important thing in the mensuration is always try to convert the fraction, the decimal into fraction. So look here, we 22 into 22. So I am writing 44 by 7. Okay, and 5.25 and 5.25. I'm writing like 525 divided by 100 and 525 divided by 100. Okay, then you can see this 7 and 525 can be cancelled. Okay, 7 into 75 is 525. So 7 and 525 will be cancelled, and 4 and 100, 44 and 100. We know that for 4 into 11 is 44, and 4 into 25 100. So what will left from this side? 11 will left because 4 already cancelled, and here 525 divided by 25. Okay, because 4 into 100 25 is 100. Then from here, instead of 525, it will be 75, because 7 into 525, sorry, 7 into 75 is 525. Calculation just check once, okay, by yourself. Then 25 and 75 we cancel once to get the 3. So what we left? 11 525 into 3 by 11. So after that, on the numerator I multiplied, just as simple as that. Okay, I multiplied the denominator. You can see. So after this multiplication, you will get this one. Okay, calculation check once by yourself. Calculation check one by yourself. Calculation all you have to do by yourself. Okay, so that's the answer of question number 8. Now let's move forward to the question number 9. Question number 9 is very important problem. Question number 9 is saying, if any in between, if you are having any doubt, okay, you can ask me in the comment box, because I'm also a little bit hurry because it's already late, so I'm going a little bit faster. So now this question number 9. Question number 9 is saying that a right circular cylinder just enclosed a sphere of radius r. You can see in your book also, you can see the figure, that is page number 242. So here one sphere is enclosed in a right circular cylinder. Okay, what we have to do? We have to find the surface area of the sphere. We can find by this, by because the radius is given, so we can find the surface area of the sphere. Curved surface area of the cylinder. Look, for curved surface area of the cylinder, for this one we need the cylinder dimension, like radius or height. Okay, that we have to find. Cylinder dimension or radius we have to find from this part only. Look, if this sphere, if the sphere, okay, first write down the this thing. Um, Let me write this one. Okay, if the sphere inside this one, what it called, right circular cylinder, can we know that radius of the sphere is r. Okay, that means what will, can anyone tell me what is the diameter of the, what is the diameter of the right circular cylinder? Can anyone tell me what is the diameter of right circular cylinder? If the sphere is inside the right circular cylinder and sphere radius is r, what is the diameter of the, or what is the radius will, what will be the radius of the right circular cylinder? Yes, yes, very true. It will be, because you can see the radius, I for that reason I put a line here. This is the radius of the sphere. At the same time, this is the radius of the cylinder also. Okay, so we may write like this: radius of the sphere is r. So for number one, we don't need any other thing because we have to find the surface area. So therefore, surface area of the sphere equal to 4 pi r square. Okay, 4 pi r square. Basically you have to write this one also, square units, because we don't know the units. Then number 2, before number 2 we have to write like this: the cylinder encloses the sphere in it. Okay, so the radius of the cylinder is 2r units. Okay, and height of the cylinder is equal to, oh sorry, the radius of the cylinder will be r unit, r unit, and height of the cylinder is equal to the diameter of the sphere. So therefore the height of the cylinder h equal to 2r. Okay, so now we can find the curved surface area CSA of the cylinder. CSA of the cylinder is equal to, what is the CSA formula? 2 pi RH, right? Now put the value. I'll not put any other value, of pi. Okay, pi value will not put, because later we have to compare something. So 2 pi r value we know this one, and h value will put, h value is 2r. Okay, if you simplify this one, it will be 4 pi r square. Oh, it's came same. Oh, that's nice. It's also same. So square unit. Then number 3 is asking, number 3 is asking ratio of the area obtained in this one. This one, so you have to just find the ratio. Obviously ratio will be 1:1 is equal to surface area of sphere divided by CSA of cylinder. And both we got 4 pi r square, which will be equal to 1 divided by 1. Okay, equal to 1:1. Now one very common mistake the student used to do, after that 4 pi r square, 4 pi r square, you used to do like this: 4 pi r square, 4 pi r square, so it is 1. Okay, but it is not correct. You have to write like this: 1 divided by 1, and ratio is 1:1. Okay, if you just write down one, you will 1 marks will be gone. So our 13.4 done. Okay, all are, you can see these all are based on very simple formula. Now we'll do all the MCQ problems of this part. Okay, if anyone having any doubt regarding this 13.4, you can ask. I'm starting now. I'll start now. MCQs. If anyone have any doubt, you can ask me. Okay, then I'm starting the MCQs. Okay, fine. Okay, you can see MCQ, that is 13.1, page number, if you're having the book, page number 228. So I hope it is visible, right? Everyone can see this page now. Surface area volume MCQ page, you can see now. Anyone please reply. Can you see this page? Surface area volume, exercise, length, breadth. I mean, like, okay, fine. Hmm. So first question is very easy. This is directly from the answer. Sorry, directly from the formula. Length, breadth, and height of a cuboid is given L, B, and H. Length of the diagonal of the cuboid. If you remember in the formula I gave this one, the length of the diagonal is this. Okay, L under root L square, length square plus breadth square plus H square. So nothing to solve here. So I'm not writing anything. Okay. So then next question. Next question is dimension of the box are 1 meter, 80 centimeter, and 50 centimeter. The area of the four wall. So basically here I'm right. So look, it is a 1 meter, which is equal to 100. Yeah, well, we can write in, better to write like this. L will be this, breadth will be 80 centimeter, which is equal to 0.8 meter, and H is 50 semi, which is equal to 0.5 meter. Now the area of the four wall, formula, area of its four wall is equal to, formula, if you remember the formula, that is LSA formula. Okay, area of the formula, this is LSA, 2L plus B into H, that is 2L plus B into H. Revise again and again formulas. Okay, 2, then L and B. L is how much? L is 1, B is 0.8, 0.8 into, okay, your answer, your option is given in, sorry, your option is given in centimeter, right? So I'll better to convert everything in centimeter. I thought it is given in meter. Wait. So length, breadth, this one 1 meter. So I'll convert this one centimeter. So it will be 100 centimeter. So let's put now in the, I did not recognize this one. Your answer is given, your option is given in centimeter. So we have to put in centimeter. 100 plus, it will be 80, and height is 50. So into 2 into 100 plus 8 is 60. I mean 160. 160, no, 180. Sorry. Yeah, 180 and 50. Okay. How to multiply this one? First multiply 50 and 2. So it will be 180 into 100. So that is equal to 18,000. centimeter square. Okay, so that is the tricks. Many of you multiplied a2 into 180, then we will multiply with 50. That will kill your time. Okay, so that's the few things you have to learn in this, in the what it called, mensuration. So your option, which option is correct? Let's see. Option C is correct. Okay, sorry. Next, next question number three. Number three is saying if the length of diagonal of a cube is 6 root 3, the age of the cube. The anyone remember? Anyone remember the what is the cube diagonal formula? Diagonal of a cube formula. Anyone remember? I gave one star mark though. I told that it will not, no question is there. But what is the diagonal of a cube? Diagonal of a cube having edge a in its is, anyone remember? Please write down in the comment box. What is the diagonal of a cube? Diagonal of a cube formula is a square root of 3. Okay, so basically we have to compare this one as per question. A square root of 3 is equal to 6 square root of 3. So from both side, square root of 3 will cancel. Okay, square root of 3 cancel, a equal to 6. So option which option? Oh, this option is not correct. Okay, so this should be answer should be 6. Okay, answer should be 6 because 6 root 3, so answer should be 6. So there is a mistake in this. Okay, answer should be 6, so no option is correct. No option. In my book, all the options are 12, 8, 5 and 3 root 3, so no option is correct. The answer correct option will be this. Then next question is very good question. This question may can come for the this one bigger question, like a broad question. It's saying that two cubes age 5 centimeter are joined face to face. You can see I try to draw two cube. Okay, one cube is here, another cube is here. If they join face to face, okay, what will be the length? Can you tell me? This breadth and height and the breadth will not change. Only the length will be changed. What will be the length? After joining these two cube face to face, what will be the length? Length will be 10 centimeter, right? And you can see the breadth and height will not change. Okay, only the length will change. The length of the cuboid will be 5 plus 5, that is 10 centimeter. Okay, and breadth will not change. Breadth will be equal to 5 centimeter. and height is same 5 centimeter. Then we have to find the surface area of the cuboid, right? The surface area of the cuboid is equal to surface area formula 2 LB plus BH plus LH or HL. Okay, to length into breadth into height into this. So to simplify this one, just simplification, just put the values. 2 length is 10, okay, into length into B is 5 plus B and H will be 5 into 5 plus 5 into 10. If you simplify this one, 2 5 into 50 plus 25 plus 50. If you simplify more, you will get it will be 2 into 125, which is equal to 250 centimeters square. Okay, so option B is correct. Option B is correct. Okay, so that is 13.1. Let's go to 13.2 fast. 13.2 first question is saying 13.2 page number 232. First question is saying that the radius of two right circular cylinders are in ratio 4:5 and their height are in ratio 2:3. The ratio of their curved surface area we have to find. So let the radius of two cylinder be. Look, whenever we will have the ratio, like here you can see the ratio is given 4:5. So whenever this kind of question will come, we have to take the ratio like this, 4R and 5R respectively. Okay, 4R and 5R respectively. We have to take like this. Then and their height be 2H and 3H respectively. Okay, now let's find the curved surface area, the ratio of their curved surface area. The ratio of the curved surface, how to do? Just equalize curved surface area of first and then curved surface area of another circle. CSA of first cylinder or CA by CSA of second cylinder. Then okay, so CSA formula, what is the CSA formula? CSA formula is 2 pi R. What is R here? 4R. 4R H. What is H here? 2h divided by 2 pi, sorry, yeah, 2 pi, 2 pi. Here r is 5r and h is 3h. Okay, now you can see this one, 2 pi and 2 pi cancel. 2 pi, 2 pi and 2 pi will cancel. So what will remain on the numerator? Numerator here will remain 4r multiplied by 2h divided by 5r multiplied by 3h. If you simplify this one, numerator will be 8rh divided by 15rh, which will be equal to 8 by 15. The ratio will be 8:15. That's our answer. Okay, so option A is correct. Option A is correct. Okay, then next question. A rectangular sheet of paper is 22.22 into 15 centimeter along. Okay, the dimension of the rectangular sheet is 22. 22 means the length, and the 15 will be the centimeter, I mean the breadth. Is rolled along its length of to form a hollow cylinder. You can see, if you just check by any A4 paper or any paper, if we rolled, we can make a hollow cylinder. You can try this one by yourself. Okay, any kind of paper we can make a hollow cylinder. Okay, so now I just want to show you one diagram. If you make this with the paper in this shape, what will be the height of the along its length? Okay, along its length, that means the length, that means the height of the cylinder is equal to the length of the paper. Okay, we have to write here the height of the cylinder is equal to the length of the paper, because look, the cylinder, the paper roll along its height. So height of the paper is equal to, that is 22 centimeter. Okay, then what we need, another things we need, another thing we need, that is the radius. We have to find the radius of the cylinder. So how to find the radius? The radius of the cylinder is equal to, what is this part? The curved part. You can see the curved part is actually the blade. Okay, I can show you in front, but if you see, if you try in home, in a paper, if you rolled to make a cylinder, you can see the blade is equal to the curved surface area. I mean, not curved surface area, the circumference of the base. Okay, circumference, sorry, breadth of the paper is equal to circumference of the of base of the cylinder. Okay, so circumference, what is the circumference formula? Circumference is actually a circle. Circumference formula is 2 pi r, right? So as per question we can write 2 pi r. Before that we have to write let the radius of the cylinder is r centimeter. So you can see that cylinder circumference formula is 2 pi r. So 2 pi r is equal to 15. Okay, so that is equal to, if you simplify this one, um, it will be 2 multiplied by 22 by 7, which is equal to, sorry, into r equal to 15. Okay, one mistake I did, look here, one thing is saying that the rectangular paper roll along its length. Okay, sorry, so length, along its length means, that means the height of the cylinder should be 15. Okay, if we rolled along its length, then the height will be equal to the breadth. Okay, and the length of the paper will be equal to the circumference of the base. Okay, so that mistake I did, I hope you can understand now, because I missed this line, that roll along, that means we rolled the length to make the cylinder. Okay, so it will be the circumference of the base will be this. So if you simplify this one, r will be 22 multiplied by 7. Okay, and denominator will be 7, denominator will be 2 multiplied by 22. So if you simplify this one, it will be 7 by 2, which is equal to 3.5 centimeter. Okay, so which option is correct? Option option D is correct. Option D is correct. Okay, then move on to the question number 3. Question number 3 is saying that the total surface area of a cylinder base of base diameter is r and height is 2r. Height is 2r. So radius will be, what is the radius? Radius will be 2r by 2, that is equal to r. Okay, so now total surface area find out, and height is equal to 2r. Height is given now to therefore TSA formula. What is the TSA formula? Total surface area. Uh, 2 pi r plus h. 2 pi r plus h. Okay. Now put the values. 2 pi r value here is r. Sorry. sorry, diameter is given r, right? So it will be r by 2. Diameter is given r, so radius will be r by 2, sorry. So it will be 2 pi r by 2. Inside the bracket, our radius will be r by 2, and last h is here 2r. If you simplify this one, you can see outside this 2 and this 2 will cancel. So here only we'll get pi r, and inside the bracket, if you simplify this one, numerator will be 2, denominator will be r plus 4r, which is equal to, outside will be pi r, inside will be 5r by 2, which is equal to 5 by 2 pi r square. Okay, you can see option C is given. Option C it will be, so that is option C. Then next question, I'm trying to finish this one by today. In a cylinder, if radius is double and height is half, its curved surface area will be. You have to find curved surface. How, what will be the curved surface area? Let the initial radius is r and height is h. Okay, so let initially its radius is r and height is h. So what will be the curved surface area? Curved surface area will be CSA of the cylinder, CSA of the initial cylinder will be equal to 2 pi r. What is r? R and h. This is okay. Later height will be equal to 2r, and sorry, radius is equal to 2r, radius is equal to 2r, and height is equal to h by 2. If you see, I whatever in the question given, I'm doing this one. It's saying that radius is double and height is half. So you can see radius initially it was r, so it will be 2r, and height it was initially it was h, now is h by 2. So now CSA of the later cylinder, CSA of the cylinder later, you can see it will be equal to 2 pi. What is r? Now r is 2r, and what is h? H become h by 2. If you simplify this one, look, you can see these 2 and this h2 will be cancelled. This both 2 will cancel. So what we will get? We will get 2 pi rh. Okay. So that basically answer will be CSA will remain same. That very interesting thing. You are changing the dimension, but it is remaining same. So it is option C is correct. Okay. Next, question number 5. Question number 5 is saying that the the total surface area of the cylinder of this one. Okay, this question you just do by yourself. Otherwise, I'll give homework. I'm just giving you homework. This one, cylinder radius and height is given. You can find by yourself. Okay, so this one do by yourself. I'm going to quickly 13.3. 13.3 number one. It is given the circumference of the base. It's okay. It's already 5:37. It's okay. I'm doing this one, just this one 13.3 and 4. I'll do that later, next day. That's better. Otherwise, it will take up to 4. So I'm doing 13.3. The total radius R is given. R is given 5 centimeter. Okay. And H is equal to 16 semi. Therefore, TSA will be total surface area of the cylinder will be equal to TSA formula 2 pi R plus H. Okay, so that is equal to 2, then 22 by H, then R value is 5, then R is 5 plus 16. If you simplify, oh, pi value here I can see in the option it's remain pi, so better that is. So it will be 2 into pi into 5 into 21. If you simplify all this, 5 into 2, it will be 210 pi. Okay. Okay, no option is coming. The total surface area of the cylinder, radius 5, height 16. 2 pi r. R is 5, height is 16. Yeah. 10, 5 into 20. No option is correct, no? Here also I think it's a mistake. There is no option is correct. Option B is written but it's not correct. Oh, yes, yes. We can, if you put the value, sorry. If you put 22 by 7, if you put 22 by 7, the 7 and 21 will be cancelled. So what will remain? Remain will be 2 into 22 into 5 into 3. If you simplify this one, it will be 66 into 10. Okay. Always try to multiply 5 into 2 and 22 into 3. So if you multiply this one, it will be 660. Sorry, 660 centimeters. That's the answer. Okay. So that's our answer. This is 660 centimeters square. Option B is correct. Option B is correct. Okay. It's okay. So today's class is up to this. You can write down your roll numbers now.